মুখ্যমন্ত্রী অধ্যাপক ডক্টর মানিক সাহা মঙ্গলবার রাজধানীর একটি বেসরকারি হোটেলে নীতি আয়োগের তৃতীয় আঞ্চলিক কর্মশালার উদ্বোধন করেন। রাজ্য সহায়তা মিশনের উদ্যোগে আয়োজিত এই কর্মশালায় পূর্ব ও উত্তর পূর্ব ভারতের 14টি রাজ্যের কর্মকর্তারা অংশগ্রহণ করেন। উদ্বোধনী বক্তব্যে মুখ্যমন্ত্রী বলেন, কর্মশালায় বিভিন্ন রাজ্যের আর্থ-সামাজিক রূপান্তর ও উন্নয়নের কৌশল নিয়ে বিস্তারিত আলোচনা হবে। তিনি আরও বলেন, এই ধরনের কর্মশালা সুশাসনের ভিত্তিকে আরও মজবুত করবে এবং আঞ্চলিক পরিকাঠামোর উন্নয়নেও গুরুত্বপূর্ণ ভূমিকা রাখবে।
November 2025, I was further assigned as convener of the high-level task force on infrastructure and logistics for the northeastern region. Although I am, but my total team was with me. So because of that, I took the challenge and working collaboratively with other states and central agencies, and we have prepared a comprehensive and forward-looking roadmap for regional infrastructure development. Just a few days ago, I had the privilege of laying the foundation stone for the largest data center in northeastern India being developed by Airtel. The Taj Group has committed to establishing the region's first heritage hotel in Agartala. The Jindal Group has commenced steel sheet manufacturing and service private universities, medical and paramedical colleges have been established in the state. Tripura records high priority to IT and IT-enabled services, including artificial intelligence, next generation technologies. We are the only state with fully paperless administration from the state cabinet to the 3-tier panchayat. Citizen entitlements are delivered through a full digitized BMS system made by our Tripura state, that is beneficiary management systems, and services are provided without physical interference. Tripura also offers a unique tourism experience, a confluence of heritage, spirituality, ecology, and living culture. From Ujjayanta Palace and Unakoti to the sacred Tripura Sundari temple, from pristine forests to vibrant tribal traditions, the state offers authenticity and immersion. As institutions mature, Tripura is increasingly confident in welcoming people from across India and the world. Through the Prabhashi Tripura Bashi initiative, spearheaded by TFTI, recently we have already had this kind of initiatives. We have connected with our global diaspora, transforming emotional bonds into ideas, mentorship, then investments and strategic imports. Tripura's experience reinforced a fundamental principle of good governance. Small states can lead through ideas, institutions, and innovation. In the last 8 years alone, Tripura has received, you'll be glad to know, 347 national and regional awards, reflecting our commitment to good governance aligned with the vision of Viksit Bharat at 2057. I'm very glad the theme of this workshop, as I already have mentioned here, that state vision at 2047, monitoring and evaluation systems, data-driven governance, climate resilience, urban development, and global partnership define the next frontier of governance. Platforms such as this enable collective learning, avoid duplication, and accelerate regional transformation. I express my sincere gratitude to Niti Aayog, particularly the leadership and team of the State Support Mission, for their unwavering guidance and partnership. I also thank officers from participating states and union territories, as well as international development partners, for enriching this dialogue. In conclusion, governance is not a destination. It is a continuous journey of reforms, learning, and service. Strong institutions, reliable data, and meaningful partnerships are indispensable to this journey. I assure you that Tripura remains fully committed to working closely with Niti Aayog and partner states to realize our shared national aspiration of Viksit Bharat. Once again, I warmly welcome you to Tripura, present over here, and wish the deliberation of this workshop every success. Thank you.
Bureau Report, Obiram 24/7.